What's going on, guys? It's Andre here. Today I'm going to be talking about 3 websites, how you can make money fast, all right? And how you can you can use this and work from home. So I'm going to show you 3 websites you can make money fast and work from home. So I know people always say, I'm just letting you know that money is not everything, but if you don't have money, let's be honest, how are you going to afford to do the things that you want in terms of like pay the bills? What if your kid needs to go like extra lessons, maybe in the evening and stuff like that? You're going to need money. So people always say, well, money is not everything, but being broke is not cool. Just letting you know that, because I was broke and it was tough when I see that we need some things around the house, or we need to go from point A to point B. And if you ain't got no money, how are you going to survive? So I'm going to be talking about 3 websites that you can make money fast, all right? So, and work from home as well. So I'm going to share my screen, and I've checked these out, guys, and these websites are amazing, right? So hope that helps. And also remember, drop in the comments as well so you guys can let me know what you think. And if this is your first time to the channel, I just want to say welcome. I have tons of videos on here. You can go through them and you could see and pick out what works for you, because I talk about a lot of different things of how to make money online, affiliate marketing, all that type of stuff. So anyways, here are the 3 websites. The first one is Take Lessons. Believe it or not, like this right here, right? You can actually, people will pay you to teach them something, teach them lessons. Maybe it could be like language, performing arts, music, academic, tutoring, all that kind of stuff. So maybe you know how to sing and you want to teach somebody how to sing, right? Maybe someone who is good at algebra, right? And you have some math skills, teach somebody how to do it, right? Maybe it's film acting. Look down here, even languages, chemistry, improv acting. So I'm going to go through here so you guys can see. So if you go through here and it says browsing, right? It has like craft and hobbies, computer skills. There's a lot of people who don't even know how to set up Facebook or Microsoft, or even to set up little things that you can get paid for it, right? Maybe you know how to play the guitar or something. You can even get paid for it. Play the piano, all that type of stuff. So if you click on here, learn more, you got local versus like online. So they even have like, the benefits of local lessons versus benefits of online lessons. So if you go through here, you see convenience in your home, all that type of stuff, right? They have all the different things that you're going to be learning here, right? How to online lesson work. Definitely you're going to probably need computer, camera, right? Microphones, Skype, all that type of stuff. It all depends of what type of software that you're going to be needing, but you could sign up, right? Sign up, log in, and just start make some money fast online, guys. So if you want to do that, why not use your skills when you have it out there? If you have your skills, get paid for it. Don't just sit on it. You got it for a reason. You got your talent for a reason. And some of you probably like, well, I'm not good at anything. Trust me. You're good at one thing, and you're good at something that nobody else can take it away from you, right? So look into that. So check that out. The next website I'm going to be talking about is an affiliate marketing website. And you could sign up for free, right? You sign up for free sign up. And they have a lot of different products, a lot of different services that you can come on here and you can learn. You can watch these videos. It's called Jvzoo, right? So they have multiple products on here. And if you know how to create your own products as well, you can create your own digital products. You can put it on here for sale. People will buy it, right? But if you have no clue of how to do it, you could just sign up for free. Sign up for free. Go in here. Like if you look into the marketplace, I want to show you in the marketplace, they got a lot of things in here. Lots and lots of different products and services where people create their own digital stuff and put it up here, right? Fan page, money method. People create a a course on how to create fan page, right? Voice rank 360. I am checklist monthly membership. I don't know that, but you have like e-commerce stuff, you have finance, you have health. Let's check out the health and fitness. All right, so I'm gonna look at the health and fitness to just see exactly what pops up. Now look at here, like these are products that people already create and they put it up on there for sale. Now, if you do not know how to create your own product, you're not knowledgeable in terms of like, all right, maybe you want to create like my own yoga for healthy lifestyle kind of stuff. You don't know that, but you want to be an affiliate for these people, right? So you can get the products and services, and if you know what affiliate marketing is, all you have to do is you have the product and services, somebody wants it, and you give them the solution to their problem. If they need, probably someone wants to know how to get some muscles, right? You can refer that person to this product, and then in return, you're going to make a commission from it just for your effort. So in a nutshell, you always tell people, hey, go to McDonald's. You're not going to get paid for McDonald's, right? No, you're not. But you're getting paid for this kind of stuff, telling people about, muscles and strength building with PLR. I don't even know what that is, but you could do your research. So yeah, you could sign up here, sign up for free, and then check it out. And then the last one I'm going to be talking about, number 3 way how you can make money fast and work from home, is Upwork. Upwork. I come here to get things done. I come here when I have too much on my plate and I realize that, hey, would I rather pay somebody else or take 4 or 5 hours to do it myself? For me, I'm at a point where I'm actually so busy that I'm actually outsourcing different help from different locations. So I come on here and I search it. I use this a lot and I pay people and they have great work. So Upwork, you can go on here. It's freelancing. You can never be out of work when it comes to freelancing. If you have a skill, please use this skill, right? They got like so many different. So let me show you. I can look in for, let's say I want somebody to create like a, let me go. Like, let's say a flyer, right? I'm gonna search in here, someone that I want to make me a flyer, right? Now look at this guy, Brian. Shout out to Brian right now. I'm not getting paid for this, but this guy signed up $55 an hour, $45 an hour, $80 an hour, right? $69 an hour. Like, you can put your services up here and people are going to start to rate you how quick you get the job done. Because do keep in mind that you can still have a job and do this on the side as well. But you got to, you got to be mindful of, let your customers know, hey, I'm going to get your work done by Friday, right? You never want to tell them, hey, I'm going to get it done by tomorrow. And then when tomorrow comes, you're giving them like another story and all that kind of stuff. So make sure that you do that and just sign up, guys. It's free, sign up. So those are the 3 websites how you can make money fast and also how you can work from home as well. So make sure you check that out. I hope that helps. And again, let me know, like this video, and also follow this YouTube channel as well, because I always talk about affiliate marketing. And if you guys want to learn more about affiliate marketing, check out, there's links in description down there. There's videos down there. There's programs that I use to learn this kind of stuff and leverage the online space. All right. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. Let me know in the comments. All right. Bye-bye for now.